What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting our day in Paterson, New Jersey. I am at American Hose and Hydraulic. I have to run in that door, but I also have to run in that door over there. So the door to my right is the pump shop. About a week or so ago, I dropped off a pump and I also dropped off two pistons, which are down in this door. They do connect through the back of the building, but it is easier from here to go to each door and then just bring each item out rather than carrying one or the other through the store. So I don't know if our pump is done, but our pistons are done. So I got to go into the pump store and just check on that and get an update if it is done. Obviously I'm going to grab it and then run and grab our pistons, but let me go inside and check on that, and then we'll grab the pistons and head to our main shop. All right, guys, I'm down at our shop now, and we have our Kubota pulled inside here. This thing is getting a full service done on it tomorrow, so we brought it in here so that guy can work right inside our shop. I got the two pistons from American Hose and Hydraulic here, all resealed and everything, good to go. They did not know where the motor for the one salt spreader that I dropped off was. That was in their pump shop and they couldn't find it. They had no paperwork for it, didn't know anything about it. So the lady had to talk to the foreman there and find out what is going on. She said it might not even have been looked at yet. So if that's the case, that is going to be quite some time because I dropped them off over a week ago. Obviously the cylinders got done much quicker, but I also stopped at Home Depot and picked up 6 mailbox posts and 6 mailboxes. If you guys do not know, we are required to replace or repair damaged mailboxes that get either hit or most of the time they get taken out by flying snow off of the plows, but there's really no way to defend ourselves on that. A lot of mailboxes are not very strong and the flying snow just knocks them over, and then they send something to the villages and the village sends it to us, and then we have to go out and replace the mailboxes. So we bought 6 of them just to have them in stock here. We are gonna put 2 of them in a Home Depot bucket, cemented in. That way if somebody calls and says that their mailbox is knocked over, we can bring them a temporary one and just sit it there so they can still get mail until either the snow melts or the ground thaws out a little bit for us to replace the post. That's only if the post is completely destroyed. A lot of the time there's repairs that can be made and we can get them up and going within a couple hours usually. But I have my guys cleaning my Colorado outside. I pulled everything out of it and put it on this pallet here because we are going to the dealership tomorrow to get a price on trading this thing in. It is completely empty. Ricky, make sure it's nice. Like he's quiet. Oh, he's doing the wheels too. But this thing is completely empty. So even my center console here, and I have just the truck paperwork and my insurance and stuff in there now. But it is time to get rid of the Colorado. The lease is up, so we either have to buy it out or trade it in and get something different, and we're definitely not getting Colorado again. That was kind of just a impulse buy, I guess. They had it on the lot and it was a decent price, and my uncle took my old Silverado, so I needed a truck and we didn't feel like spending much time trying to find a truck. Plus it has treated me pretty well. It's just a bit too small for what we do. So tomorrow me and my dad are running to the dealer to look at the Silverados that they have in stock and hopefully get rid of that thing. All right, guys, we got the truck all cleaned. These guys went through it completely, got it pretty much as clean as we can without it being a professional detail, but it looks very nice. I got my one backpack, a box of some stuff, and then a couple other things, one bag there, some shirts and whatnot that I have to pull out tonight. This truck has, let's see, it's a 20, it is a 22, and it has 103,623 miles on it. Like the guys just cleaned it. I'm getting it dirty already. So with that in mind, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think they are going to give us as a trade-in value. You're going to find out tomorrow in that video. I think I'm going to leave with a new truck tomorrow, hopefully. We'll see though. Either way, we have this International 7400. If you've been following my channel, you know this came down on a lowboy the other day. Rodrigo got the plow on. All right, my camera just died there, but we have the wing inside ready to get thrown on this thing.
Look at you, little chiquito with the guantes.
Yeah. Una chiquita give me dos guantes.
Oh, you took them out of my truck, I think.
No, yo give the blue though.
No, oh, Guillermo gave me those. What happened to our other bolt? That one is Mom's birthday. Does it need to be flipped?
It's too big. We need you.
Need a new one?
Leave right here.
Well, my dad wants me to make the list. He wants me to make a list of
Wait, wait a minute.
He wants me to make a list of what plows need winter blades and how many rubbers we need, and we're gonna order everything from those guys.
All right, guys, we got the wing thrown on this truck. It all works fine. This is a super easy setup compared to some of our other wings. You have one rear wing post or one arm, and then just have a pin here with piston in the front, 2 hoses that run there, and it is way easier to get on this truck than most of the other ones. But the rubber on this wing plow is completely worn down, so it needs to get replaced. These guys are going to pull this off. And then we had an old rubber blade that, this is a style we used to use before we switched over to winter equipment. We had one, I said old, but it's brand new. We had one sitting on our shelf up here. We have all of the old rubber blades that we used to use, plus the push box rubbers, all stacked up here. So rather than waiting for winter to send us one, we do have 2 winter blades here, but these are 10-footers, and that wing is a 9-footer. So we got to get it pulled apart and then line up the holes on here, make new holes in this, and then bolt it on, and that'll be good to go. But I have my truck outside here and I'm hitting the road. I got to go home and do some stuff. Tomorrow me and my family are flying to Oregon, so I have some stuff at home I need to take care of, like editing one more video for you guys, so I'm not scrambling the day that I get home. And then obviously I have to pull everything out of here, and we are going to the dealer in the morning. So busy day tomorrow. I'm gonna be going to the dealer at 9 a.m. as soon as they open to see if we can make a deal with them. I'm thinking that we're gonna leave with there's a very nice white one that they have there on their lot, and if we can make a deal with them, that would be super sweet. But you guys will find out in tomorrow's video. And then the next video after that, I think I am going to make one video while I'm away in Oregon. It's my first time going there. My sister just bought a house, so we're gonna do a little bit of work while we are there, but we're mostly going for Thanksgiving. So we'll see if I make a video or not. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm definitely going to bring my camera with me. Either way, that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.